Hello, my name is Adrian Ramirez, and this is my presentation for my final for computer science number one. Now, for this problem, I had to write a program using functions and the switch structure to determine the healthiest food store. And my professor wanted me to build a menu exactly like this. So we have option 1 is McDonald's, 2 Jack in the Box, 3 Chick-fil-A, 4 Burger King, and then 5 would exit the program. Now, if a user inputs 1 through 5, we have to say this. For 1, for 2, you have to say this. For 3, you have to say that. 4, then 5, which exits the program, you have to say this as well. Now, here's the program right here. Now I started with void print menu. So that way, as soon as you run the program, it will just immediately print out all of these options. So first, it would print out which of the following fast food restaurants provide the healthiest food. And then it will print out your first option, second option, third, fourth, and then your fifth option will just exit you out of the program. Now I made another void function for the healthiest, and then I made it called choice. So I use the switch function, which allows me to choose each case, for example, case 1, 2, 3, without having to use a bunch of if-else statements to compare against all of my actual menu items. And so we have case 1, which is that's right, Mackie D. Case 2, yes, the guy with the big round head. Case 3, the cow says eat more chicken. 4, home of the Whopper. And 5, thank you for choosing, which is the exact same as the options given to me from my professor right here. Now, in my actual main area right here, I have my choice, which I put right here as well. And you input the choice. So if you want to do case 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5, and then we have the healthiest choice right here. Now, if we run this program, you'll see that right here we have which of the following fast food restaurants provides the healthiest food. Option 1, McDonald's, 2, Jack in the Box, 3, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, and 5 is exit, just as is stated over here in the menu area. Now, let me choose option 1. So, I chose option 1, which says right here, that's right, Mackie D. Says right there, showing that this program does in fact work. Now we'll choose all the other cases to make sure that every single option correctly is displayed. Now, option 2. Yes, the guy with the big round head. And if we look, case number 2 says the exact same thing. Now let's run case number 3. The cow that says eat more chicken. So now we go to case number 3, the cow that says eat more chicken. Case case number 4. Home of the Whopper. And if we look, it also says home of the Whopper. Now for case number 5. Which should just be the exit. It says, thank you for choosing, exclamation mark. So we look, it says the exact same thing, thank you for choosing. Now I added a break for every single one, so that way it resets and ends the program after each choice. That way you can't just continuously choose and choose and choose without it ever ending. So that was my final for Computer Science 1. As you can see, I met the requirements of the question asked and the prompt used for each and every choice. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this program.